Hey everybody, welcome to a new MAtips video, this time with a simple and easy functionality to get some new fixtures in your show and clone the data immediately. First of all, we have a look at a very simple situation. We have our beautiful rig over here with 3 trusses at the moment. And of course, touring around the different stages in the world, you will get to the situation that you might have an additional truss or an additional floor set. So you have to bring in some spots, some fixtures in general again to your show file, and then you need to clone the data. So let's have a look at the patch, because the patch helps us to get fixtures in there, of course, but also to immediately clone the data so that the fixtures will be able to work with your show file afterwards immediately. So we go to the patch and we remember that fixture 209 through 215 was the mid truss, and we need some additional fixtures of those, so of our ultra performances here. So what we can do in our patch is to mark those fixtures 209 through 215. We copy them, and at the end of our list, or somewhere else, we just paste them. And you can see immediately that we brought some new fixtures in there of the same fixture type. That's great. So at the moment, they don't have a fixture ID. So let's say we want to have a new fixture ID, which is 224 for them. So we start at 224. That's great. And we will find them now at the end of our list again. And what you can see, and this is the powerful functionality here now, you can see this small marker here on each fixture where its clone source is coming from. So what happens when we copy and paste fixtures in the patch? It will immediately clone the whole show data for us. So that means all of these fixtures, they are now able to use the presets to work in the sequences where we need them immediately after copy and pasting them in the patch. So you can see, for example, fixture 224, it's cloned from fixture 209, or fixture 230, which is the new one, is cloned from fixture 215. That's cool. So at the end, what we have to do, we just adjust our DMX address so we can use some of these nice buttons over here to patch it to the next free universe. Great. And of course, if we like to, we can arrange them in our 3D. So therefore, we have this nice functionality to show the 3D positions directly here in our patch. You can see the fixture selected, and we tap into the 3D window here to get our alignment bar, and then we can just adjust the position, move them a little bit to the front. So let's assume we have another front truss. We do it quick and easy without adding the truss objects here now, but just that you see how it works. And we leave the patch. By the way, this information of the clone source we get here, we will see it once for now. Whenever we enter the patch new afterwards, it will be gone. So at the end, we exit this whole patch. And then we can see already that our new front truss here is playing in our sequence directly. And it will work with all the different looks we created with the presets, because the complete show data is now cloned for this new fixtures just by copy and pasting them in the patch. So hope you like it. In the next weeks, we will present you some more functionalities which can be definitely helpful while you tour around the different festival stages in the world. So happy programming. See you next time for the MA Tips.